Good day, Lamidi here from justvideomarketing.com. In today's short video, I am continuing my series of just showing you some shortcuts using Canva. And today I just wanted to show you how to put an outline on your photo in Canva. So let's get started. So I'm just going to go to Canva right now. So I'm in Canva and I've got a picture of myself, so I'm just going to show you how to convert this picture to one that's got an outline. So the first thing I did was I just did a copy of that. So once you're here, the first thing you want to do is take off this background. So let's go to that. And it's called a background remover. I believe you'll get this if you've got the paid version of Canva. So let's do that first. So as you can see, I have removed that ugly background. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on that and go back to effects. And as you see where it's got shadow, I'm going to do shadow. And then the next thing I'm going to do is click on that as well. And you can put whatever background you want on it, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just use a white background. So I click the color white, and then I am going to lower the blur to 0. As you can see, we've got a little background as it is. With transparency, I am going to increase that to 100. As you can see, the background is coming nicely. And then I'm just going to increase the size of the white background. So let's see as we do that. As you can see that's increasing. Yeah, you can increase this if you want, because what it does is it actually shrinks the picture once you apply it. So as you can see, I'm just going to leave it at 10, and then I do apply. And as you can see, we've got a nice background just on the video, sorry, just on the picture. And this is good for YouTube thumbnails. It makes your picture stand out with YouTube thumbnails, and a lot of people use it. So that's it for this Canva tutorial. Hope you've enjoyed it. Do remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that I can notify you once I make more Canva related tutorial videos. Hope you've enjoyed it, and enjoy your day. Bye for now.